Mike Seferdini, International Space Station Program Manager. We are not at the North Pole, but what a moment, a milestone moment. Your thoughts as manned Soyuz missions are back in business?
I'm looking forward to getting this crew on orbit and getting ourselves in a posture to accept the next crew, get ourselves back up to 6, and get on with utilization. So it's an exciting moment for sure for the program.
You know, it's been 3 months since the Progress accident that changed the plans and changed the launch schedules, and by our standards in the United States, this weather would be almost unheard of to even think about a launch, but for the Russians, it's almost ops normal. Can you tell us a little bit about your thoughts as the weather deteriorated today, but the countdown progressed?
Yeah, our Russian colleagues have been in this business of long-duration spaceflight for a good while, and one thing they know for sure is you got to build vehicles that are robust, can fly in any weather, because they take the view that it is critical to keep the supplies running to the vehicle on orbit, including the crews. And so they design vehicles like the Soyuz vehicle to be able to stand the weather conditions they might see out here in Baikonur. And of course, while this is interesting to you and I, or unique to you and I because we live in Houston, this is the kind of weather they see out here in the desert, and so they designed for it. So this vehicle is a robust vehicle. They've got many, many years of flight time on this vehicle. They've evolved it over years, but haven't made major changes to it, and that's why they're able to quickly solve a problem and get it back to flying, and why on days like today, when it's snowing outside, we can still launch.
Mike, how critical was the launch in terms of the Russians aggressively tackling the problem that occurred back in August, getting back to flying and getting back into a posture where the station shortly will be in steady state 6-man operations again?
Very critical. As we all know, we've talked about a lot since shuttle retired, is this is the only way we can get people to and from space station for a while, and we need to have the people on board in order to do the research and maintain the vehicle. So this is a critical launch for us.